Does your video music stop suddenly, making your video ending look cheap and unprofessional? Do not worry. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to fade out audio in CapCut Mobile for a clean, professional outro. First, open your video project and tap on your audio track at the end of your timeline to select it. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the fade icon. You will see two sliders. Locate the fade out slider on the right side and simply drag it to the right. Drag the slider until it reaches around 2.0 seconds. This is the sweet spot for YouTube outros and smooth closing scenes. Here is a secret pro tip. Select your main video clip and add a 2-second fade-out video animation as well. This makes both your video and your audio disappear into black at the exact same time. Now, tap on the check mark and hit play to listen to your smooth, fading audio. To continue learning from our full CapCut Mobile course, check the description box below.